Mr. Pulitzer Prize winning journalist Ronan Farrow, isa Michelle D. fan, ay talaga namang nagsalita at malungkot patungkol nga sa pagkabigo ni Miss Michelle D na tanghalin bilang Miss Universe 2023. Ang lahat ng yan, but before that, if you haven't subscribed yet to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe at hit mo na rin ang bell for more updates. Bukod po sa isang balita na kung saan ang Miss Universe ay tuluyan nang bibitawan ni Mr. Trump na siya pong isa sa mga nagki-cater at talagang sila pong mga organizer ng nasabing event. Lolit Solis, sabi niya po sa kanyang Instagram, bongga umano ang Miss Universe ngayon, first time na may sumali na may anak. Lolit Solis, in a recent social media post, said that the recently held Miss Universe 2023 was bongga because of its many firsts. First, she said that it is the first time contestant with a child joined and also the first time na chubby participant joins other on stage. Kasi po yung naging criteria ngayon, parang lahat na pwede, no? Pwede kung single mom ka, kahit hindi ka ganun kapayat or ka-sexy na katulad ng mga nakasanayan natin, pwede na rin, 'di ba? Manay Lolit said that such first gave other women to hope to join the prestigious beauty contest. The veteran showbiz columnist noticed most of the two joined have Latina features, which one easily spot Michelle D due to her short spot. Sabi niya sa kanyang Instagram, sabi niya, sabi niya, salve bongga ngayon ang Miss Universe ha. First time may sumali na may anak at isang chubby ha. Saka napansin ko very Latina ang dating ng halos lahat ng sumali, sabi ni Manay Lolit. The columnist then said that because of this, it is easy to spot Philippines bet Michelle D because her hair is short. She also remarked that despite the fact that Michelle only got up to top 10, she's still very proud. Buti nga si Michelle D maikli ang buhok, kaya mapapansin mo pa kahit nasa top 10 lang nakuha si Michelle D. Very proud na ako dahil talaga namang very outstanding ang beauty ng mga candidates, the veteran showbiz columnist said. At least, ang educational attainment ni Michelle D ay hindi papatalo doon sa mga candidates na may masters pa at doctorate. Talagang panlaban na rin ngayon kung ano ang educational background mo. Yun, nasa top 10 siya. Malaking bagay yun, no? Manay Lolit said she liked the result when it comes to top 3 because their advocacies were outstanding. Basta gusto ko ngayon ng resulta yung top 3. Talagang bongga, pati mga advocacy nila very outstanding. Beauty and brain talaga lahat ng sumali. Sabi ng kolumnistang ito. Saka maganda din yung pagsali ng isang single mother chubby candidates. Biglang nagbigay ng hope ito sa mga iba pang babae. Very good ngayon ang Miss Universe, kaya lang may intriga dahil bibitawan na ng dating may franchise at waiting pa sila kung kukunin ni Donald Trump, sabi ni Lolit Solis. So, yun pong ilan sa mga balita na parang bibitawan na daw di umano ni Mr. Donald Trump ang pag-handle nga nitong Miss Universe sa mga susunod na taon. So, sino kaya ang susunod na mag-handle po ng nasabing prestigious event? Pero, alam niyo po ba na isa sa mga award-winning journalist na si Mr. Ronan Farrow, sobrang fan na fan itong ni Michelle D. At siya po ay talagang dismayado at nag-post pa po siya sa kanyang Twitter, no? Sa kanyang official Twitter na sabi niya gano'n, Miss Philippines was robbed, shaking and crying. American journalist Ronan Farrow was disappointed that Philippine bet Michelle D did not make it to the top 5 of the Miss Universe pageant. It wasn't just pageant fans who were disappointed that currently reigning Miss Universe Philippines Michelle D did not make it to the top 5 of the Miss Universe pageant, as an award-winning American journalist has also expressed his disappointment. Biruin mo Amerikano na po yung nagsabi at nag-express ng kanyang opinion na talagang kumbaga karapat dapat talaga si Michelle D na makapasok po sa top 5. In a post on his official Twitter account na ngayon ay X account na, formerly known as Twitter, Pulitzer Prize winning journalist Ronan Farrow tweet that Miss Philippines was robbed, shaking and crying. So ganun po katindi yung kanyang expression pagdating po dito sa disappointment na naramdaman niya. Ronan Farrow won the Pulitzer Prize in 2018 for his investigating reporting an allegation of sexual abuse against film producer Harvey Weinstein. He is the son of the actress Mia Farrow and filmmaker Woody Allen and have served a UNICEF spokesperson for the youth. He was also special advisor for humanitarian NGO affairs in the office of the Special Representative for Afghanistan, Pakistan during the Obama administration. So masasabi mo talaga na may sinabi itong si meron po siyang ibubuga. Miss Universe Philippines Michelle Diaz made it into the top 10 of the Miss Universe pageant alongside Puerto Rico, Thailand, Peru, Colombia, Nicaragua, El Salvador, Venezuela, Australia, and Spain. Aside from making into the top 10, Michelle was also named as a gold winner for the Voice of Change competition. Michelle Autism Advocacy was the centerpiece of her Voice for Change and video where she talked about the Autism Society of the Philippines. Isa sa mga advocacy kasi ni Miss Michelle D, yung patungkol nga sa mga autism, yung mga special child na may ganito pong klase ng kalagayan. So, yun po yung isa sa mga talagang sana kahit siguro naman kahit hindi po siya Miss Universe, pwede niya pa rin naman gawin, 'di ba? Sabi po ng isang caption, Miss Philippines was robbed, shaking and crying. It wasn't just Filipino pageants who were disappointed that current reigning Miss Universe Philippines Michelle D did not make it to the top 5 of Miss Universe pageant, as an award-winning American journalist has also expressed his disappointment. Sa post niya po sa kanyang official Twitter account, formerly known as Twitter, sinabi nga niya na dapat daw, karapat dapat di umano itong si Michelle D na pumasok sa top 5. Kaya nga talagang takang-taka at ang dami po talagang nadidismaya. At marami pong mga Pilipino ngayon na sinasabi na parang this is gonna be the time para i-boycott na nga daw ang Miss Universe pageant. Kasi dito pa lang nakikita natin talaga na meron silang talagang kumbaga hindi pa man natatapos ang kompetisyon. Meron nang nanalo para sa kanila, 'di ba? Which is yung isa sa mga naging evidence, yung mali na naipost po nila yung top 5 na kung saan naroon pangalan ni Michelle D, pero iba po yung kanilang binanggit. Tapos, after a while, binura agad nila. Yun talaga yung parang medyo something fishy sa mga Pinoy 'Di ba? Ayaw natin ng dinadaya tayo. Talagang lalaban talaga ang mga Pinoy. Kaya marami po talaga ang disappointed dun po sa nangyaring pageant. Sana nga lang magkaroon po ng kalinawan kung ano ba talaga. Kasi kung nabigyan lang sana ng pagkakataon si Michelle D na mahawakan ng mikropono, paniguradong may uuwi natin ang Miss Universe ngayong taong ito, no?
Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na ito, huwag mong kalimutan mag-like, mag-share, at mag-subscribe, at i-follow mo na rin ang aking Facebook page, DarEdsTV, and please do follow me on my TikTok account, DarEdsTV. God bless everyone. See you on my next vlog.